Welcome to PC Error Detective, and in this video I will show you how to invite someone to a Discord server easily. Follow the every step carefully. First, open Discord and go to the server where you want to invite people. Make sure you have permission to create invite links, otherwise the option will not appear. Now, click on the server name at the top left. From the menu, click Invite People. A box will appear with an invite link. You can copy this link and send it to your friends through WhatsApp, Messenger, email, or anywhere you want. If you want the link to never expire, click Edit Invite Link and set it to never expire, then generate a new link. On mobile, tap the server name, tap Invite, copy the link, or directly select a friend from your Discord friend list and send the invite. When the person clicks your link, they can join the server instantly if it is open, or they will wait for approval if the server uses membership screening. That's it. This is how you invite someone to a Discord server in a few simple steps. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Discord tutorials.